Welcome to my channel. It's me Oritra. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to stay notified whenever I upload a video.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be sharing with you my recipe of green rice and grilled chicken. My recipes will require less, or you may say minimum equipment, and this will only take 15 minutes of your busy schedule. This is perfect for a Sunday lunch or Sunday dinner. This is not the first time that I'm making this recipe, but I've made this earlier and my mom and dad loved it. So I'm sharing this recipe with you. And for all my Bengali viewers out there, the Bengali subtitles will be at the bottom of the video. So keep on watching. So here's a disclaimer to all the viewers. I won't say it as an excuse, put it as an excuse. This is my first ever cooking video, and when I was editing my video, I saw that my video was a little shaky. So I'm really sorry for the video. Please kindly bear with me, and I promise to grow with every new video that I upload, and I'm really sorry once again. So without further ado, let's begin with the video.
So here I am showing you the ingredients of the green rice. For the green rice, of course, you'll be needing rice. I have used here basmati rice. You can also use your leftover rice. For the greens, you need cilantro. I've used here my homegrown cilantro, nothing like a homegrown cilantro. Or in Bengali, we can say dhone pata, that we say. And green chilies, cloves of garlic, that's roshun in Bengali. Here is the ginger that you need, about 1 inch ginger. And here's the greens, spring onion greens. And for the spices, you need whole spices like cinnamon stick, green cardamom, and cloves. Here we will be using normal vegetable oil, or you can also use olive oil if you want to make it a little healthier version of your green rice. And this is cumin. In Bengali it's called jeera. We'll be adding this, salt and onions. You can also use brown rice if you want to make it all healthy for all the health freaks out there. This is what we need for the green rice. For the grilled chicken, we will be needing chicken. I've used boneless pieces over here, and this is the garlic and ginger paste. Nowadays, garlic ginger paste is readily available in the market. In Bengali, we say it ada roshun bata. And this is the chaat masala. This is also readily available. Kashmiri red mirch. This pepper you need, garam masala, turmeric, and tandoori masala. All these ingredients will be readily available in your grocery stores near you. So you definitely can go out, make out a little effort to buy little stuff from your grocery store. Next step, in a mixing jar, take your cilantros, cloves of garlic, ginger, and green chilies according to your taste, and blend this into a fine paste. So here's the green paste that I've made, and I've also used a little bit of water to blend this into a thin paste. I have already marinated the chicken in ginger garlic paste and lemon juice, and in the Kashmiri red mirch. Next, we will be adding a little bit of pepper according to your taste. Tandoori masala, we'll be adding the whole of it. A little bit of turmeric, little bit, not much. Little bit, yes, this much will do. Garam masala, just a bit, yeah. And a bit of chaat masala. That's it. And now you just need a spoon to mix it up. Now mix it up. We'll also be adding a little bit of vegetable oil into this for a better binding. And again mix it up. I've already shared the names in Bengali. For further details, the subtitles below at the bottom of the video. Now we'll have to brush oil into the pan. Not much, a little will do. And then when your pan is nice and hot, I think my pan is hot enough. Now I'll be putting in my chicken. I'll let this cook and we'll cover this up with a lid. So yolk heats up, কড়াই গরম হয়ে গেলে I'll be adding the whole spices, and I'll stir it up. I'll also be adding the cumin seeds, jeera, and let the cumin seeds splatter. And now mix it up. I'll be adding in a pinch of turmeric, একটুখানি হলুদ, that's it, and mix it up. This much salt will do according to the rice that I've taken. I'll be also adding in pepper according to taste, golmorich, একটু জল, আর a bit of masala, curry masala, যে কোনো curry masala will do. Now I'll be adding in the rice. The rice will be according to whatever you have taken. It can be a regular rice, brown rice, or basmati rice, your leftover rice, anything. Here I've taken basmati rice. I'll be adding in the whole rice. And we'll mix it up. I'll be adding salt to this because I forgot to add salt when I was mixing the marinades. Now since I've added salt, just toss it in. Just toss it so. And your chicken will be ready. After all this, at this stage, you'll be adding your spring onion grains, and again you'll be mixing it up. You'll be again covering it up with your lid. And here's the finished look of your green rice and grilled chicken. It's that easy. It will take you about 15 or 20 minutes, and your Sunday dinner or Sunday lunch will be sorted. It's a complete meal. Do try it out, and if you make it out, don't forget to tag me with your dish, and I'll make sure to like them.